prepared already. We are about to go home. And we leave mommy. He's going somewhere here and there pa. And dito guys sa India, kapag aalis na or may pinuntang kamag-anak, so they're the one who they will always giving some gift. It's money actually. It's a money. So ayan, binigyan si Rishi. Ayan ang kay Adi. Eto naman ang sa akin, Rashi. Kasi Rashi ang tawag sa akin ni Mami. So kaya Rashi din yung inilagay nilang pangalan. So ito ay pera guys. Kami umatan ng kasalan pero kami ang binigyan ng pera pauwi. Ayan o. Ayan. Ganyan kasi sila. Ayan. Ngayon ang nagkapera guys sa pag-attend ng kasalan. Dapat kami ang magbibigay. Nagbigay din naman kami. Ganun naman talaga. Vice versa. Hindi naman sila lang ang nagbibigay. Pero hindi ka talaga uuwi nang hindi mo tatanggapin yun. My brother is so much rich now.
Who?
You.
I'm always rich, Babiji, for my heart.
Correct. Sarap.
For all, except Kalpana.
How the taste?
Nice.
Except Kalpana.
Kalpana?
Which from God.
And packing all our things already guys. Naibaba na namin. Kasi uuwi na kami. Si Mami naman ay magpapaiwan pa. Kasi siya ay marami pang istasyon na pupuntahan. Pupunta pa siya kay Lola sa kanyang ina, kay Masi Ping bahay. Kasi feeling ko hindi na kami makakadaan doon. Kahit pinapadaan kami ni Masi, hindi namin makakadaan kasi nga bukas ay may pasok na naman si Adi. And makakarating na kami nito dahil alas 12 na. Makakarating na kami nito sa bahay ng mga alas 9 ng gabi. So, ayan guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ang damit ko. Ayan. Diyan muna kayo. Ayan. Ayan. Uuwi na kami. Ayan. Suot guys. Kailangan guys, pag nandito ako sa village, kailangan ako magsuot ng suit o lagi ako nakasuot. Kailangan yan. Hindi ako pwedeng magdamit ng modern. Kasi syempre, kasama ko ang mother-in-law. Ganun talaga. So, ayan. Ang bride ay pupunta dito kasi kahapon nga yung umuwi siya din sa bahay ng lola kasi siya ay pabalik uli dito. So titingnan namin kung maiintay pa namin siya bago kami umalis. So ayan. So see you guys again sa Shimla at kami ay maya maya ay aalis na. So ayun lang. At magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. See you again. Yan si Mami. Ito kami natulog ng ilang araw. 4 na araw din. So, ayan. So, guys. Ayan. Bye-bye. See you again. Guys, andito kami sa likod. Pinapakita ni Mami yung tanim nila na ning chachi na ayan o, banana. Tapos ayun daw yung anong ang tawag dito? Akalimutan ko na ang tawag eh. Yung nilalagay natin sa mga pansit, ayan o. Ayan yung bunga o. Kita nyo ba guys? Kita nyo? Hindi ko alam. Ayan yung bunga. Ayan. Ano nga tawag dito? Apakataas. Akala ko mababa lang ito. Mataas na puno pala yan. Ayan o. Ayan ang puno niyan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. O baka kumayap lang siya. Tapos ayan o. Tapos meron silang puno ng matigas. gustong kunin ni Mami. Dadalhin siguro. Kaloko ni Mami. Bayabas. Ano ba itong tawag dito? Hindi naman cabbage. Repolyo. Hindi naman. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito guys. Nakalimutan ko na. May isip ko na naman siya mamaya pagkatapos. Ngayon hindi ko talaga siya maisip kung anong tawag. Pero kataas ng bunga. Hindi ko akalain na. Ito pala ang puno nito. Ang taas. Huwag na. No need, Mami. No need. Puputulin yata ng Chachi. Puputulin niya ng Chachi. Yan, pinutulan ng Chachi para lang ibigay sa akin. Oh. Chachi, thank you. Ah.
Let take it. You eat this one.
Ayan, pinutol pa ang ano, ang saging para lang makuha. Mommy also thinking to take one of here. Alam niya kasi kinakain ko to. Ay, tita mo. Ayan o. Oh, ayan o, ayan o. Yan sabi ko. Mami, no need. No need. It's very high. You cannot. Even this one very high. Is this really the tree of that? Anong klaseng halaman to? Ay, it will, this one, it will become flower? Oh, it will become flower daw ito. Hindi alam kung ano to. Ayun o, ang dami niyang ano, bunga-bunga no. Ito naman, rose. Rosary. Ayan, rose. Ito naman, anong kang... Ay, this one, ano to? What is this? Dahlia daw ito. Oh, dahlia. Kalpana knows all the flowers. Mommy want me, come on daw. Come on. What is it? Oh my God. Still Mommy insisting to bring this. How you take this one?
ले खाती रहना 15 दिन.
Too much.
बड़ी खुश हो
What is this? What is
ऐसे
this?
बच्चे हैं
क्या है?
लौकू
These are Indian vegetable called as lonku.
आप भी खाते हो वहाँ
Yeah,
नहीं
but
होती
we cooking this also.
ना
You cook this
ये
also?
उबाली के खाते पता नहीं क्या करते उबाली के ये ना इससे ये कट
How you call this one?
लस्सी
Lassi. Lassi daw to, pero ang sarap. Okay guys. Sarap. So guys, I will make a voiceover in this little video that I got. Actually guys, we passed by through this like government college, so I'm just wanted to show you guys how was the uniform here in India. So it depends also, no guys, like it's India, so they usually wear suit and like kurta. So also in the school, their uniform is look like this also. Unlike in Philippines, since we are modernized, so we just having blouse and skirt.
It's nice or not, Bobby?
It's nice. I don't know what kind of fish is this, but
Even I don't know.
Yeah. So my brother-in-law bought me this fish on the way. Still hot. Ayan, let's see.
We all move to the beat of our playlists a little differently.
Ito na po. no, there's a car, we cannot go. We have to look up left and right. If there's no car, then only. Okay. Then we will eat here in Hungry Point, guys. With Adi. Go up. Go up, go up.
Lupi?
What do you want to eat, Adi? And what else?
Nothing.
Nothing, only that. Ice cream and fries. Okay.
Juice.
Juice? So many.
Okay, that's what.
Okay. Good day, guys.
What?
Mahal ko
What?
kayo.
What? Bitaw na dapat ko sa bata. What?
Mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo.
No.
Say,
Bukod si Tal, puta ba na si Tal? Ali. Yang mga babi, basari, bahi. Ah, bato.
So guys, this is the arrival of the bride walking down the aisle. We call in Philippines aisles in the middle. So she's walking, going to the groom, to join the groom in the front, as the groom already in the front and sitting there and just waiting for the bride to come, so to join. And this how the program will start this time. In this video guys, I have to do the voiceover as there's a music, and sorry for you guys not heard the original noise of the people, as I'm having if I make you hear the music, if you hear the music guys, so I am having my copyright strike. So actually guys, everybody is shouting there, and very happy that they're joining together. And that's the time guys that we'll start the program, like taking pictures, be with the relatives, picture with them, with the visitors and friends. So this is how only what is happening only in this program guys. It's just only actually taking pictures of the bride and all the relatives and the visitors with them. So guys, as my viewers from Philippines, as you don't know guys, the how you call this one, traditions here and cultures in India, that they do also still as of now. Arranged marriage is existing guys. So the couple do the arranged marriage, as this is the ritual, not rituals but tradition here in India guys.